Hello everyone, today we are here to check out the new Ninja Foodi 3-in-1 toaster, grill and panini press.
Now you might be thinking, I've already got a toaster, why the hell do I want another one?
Well, in order to answer that question, let's have a look inside this box and see how this appliance can toast its competition.
Let's get into it. So firstly, looking at the box, we have a few features worth mentioning. Now as you can guess, the main function of this appliance is toasting. However, it also allows you to defrost, and there's plenty of room in there to toast artisan breads as well as bagels. Now not only that, but you can also grill, bake, cook paninis, as well as reheat any food that you've previously cooked. Now we're going to open up the box and see what's inside. Now straight out of the box, it's worth mentioning how nice this looks. It feels sturdy, it's stainless steel, looks really sleek, and it's so compact, and it's actually surprisingly light, and I think it would look good on any countertop. So as well as the toaster, we also have the panini press inside the box, as well as a quick start recipe guide, and of course the instructions.
So now that the unboxing is done, let's have a look at some of the features of this appliance. First, on the side, we have the touchscreen display which shows the functions of grill, panini, bake and toast, as well as reheat. It also shows the temperature, the time and the level of toasting desired. Also, when in the upright position, we have access to 3 functions: toast bread, bagels, as well as defrost, should you wish to keep your bread or bagels in the freezer. Also, something worth mentioning is the fact that Ninja advertises these controls as being touchscreen. However, as you can hear, they are not. In order to begin toasting, all you need to do is push down the lever on the side and let the heating elements do their thing. And when it comes to the crumbs, don't need to worry about that because there is an easy to remove tray at the bottom which makes the appliance really easy to clean.
Now let's have a look at the grill features that we have on this toaster. First and foremost, you need to flip the toaster down, and to activate the grill functions you need to pull back the lever, which will then allow you to choose the different programs. So in grill mode there is 4 different functions. Up first you have grilling, which is pretty good for doing a grilled cheese sandwich or maybe even just cooking up some bacon. Second, we have the bake function. Now this is suitable for cooking things such as fish cakes, mini pizzas and even chicken nuggets. Third, we have the reheat function, which as you can imagine is good for reheating foods that you've previously cooked. Did someone say leftover pizza? And last but not least, the function I am most excited to try is the panini press. Now using this accessory that came in the box, it allows us to craft awesome paninis in no time at all without the need of having another appliance. Nice one, Ninja. Now moving on to the controls for grill mode. Now unlike the toast function, there is no shade selection for customizing your toast. Instead, we have a temperature selection which allows you to optimize what temperature you want through the plus and minus buttons. So that was us unboxing the Ninja 3-in-1 toaster.
But will it actually replace our existing toaster? You're going to have to stick around to find out the answer.
Now if you'd like to support the channel or you'd like to purchase any Ninja appliances yourself, check out the affiliate links we have in our description.
And thanks for tagging along. And when it comes to the crumbs, no need to worry because... And when it comes to the crumbs, don't need to worry about that because the Ninja... And when it comes to the crumbs, don't need to worry because there is a...
And to activate the grill function...